Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to enable or disable Cortana in your Windows 11 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, what you have to do, you just need to go to your search window here and type Cortana. Okay, and after that click on Cortana app, and after that you have to just sign in this Cortana app. Okay, just put your email ID, Outlook email ID and password, and now click on accept and continue, and it is done, as you can see. So now what you have to do, you just need to right click on your start menu and click on task manager, go to startup, and here you need to select Cortana app, and as you can see it is disabled, so you have to enable from here. So it will a start of when your computer will start up, it will automatically open. Okay, now if you want to disable this Cortana, what you have to do, you just need to go to your search menu, type over there Reg edit, or you can type registry editor. Just click on this registry editor app. After that click on yes. Now what you have to do, you just need to copy this location from my video description and just paste it over there, and after that press enter, and now what you have to do, under Windows you just need to right click, or you can right click on Windows folder and click on new, then click on key, and here you need to put the new key name, like I will put here Windows search. So you have to same thing, you have to put over there Windows search. Okay, so under Windows search you need to just right click on your right side and click on new, then TOR32 value. Now here you need to change the name to AllowCortana, allow without any space. Then you have to change the DOR value to 0. Okay, if you want to disable it, and if you want to enable it, you have to the value data should be 1. Okay, so disable. Now go to your startup. Let's go to your task manager startup and click on disable. Now it will disable Cortana on your Windows 11 computer. So I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.